How to fix Claude not responding in Claude. Is Claude not responding to your prompts? Here's the easy step-by-step guide to fix it. So Claude requires a stable internet connection. Refresh your browser or reconnect to Wi-Fi before retrying. Second, refresh or restart. If Claude freezes, refresh the page or restart the app. This clears temporary glitches. Third is to clear cache and cookies. So to do this, click on this three dots icon at the top right and then select delete browsing data from here. Check cache and cookies and then click on this delete data button to confirm deleting the cache and cookies. Old cache or cookies can block responses. Clear them in your browser settings, then log back in. And lastly, check server status. Sometimes Claude servers may be down. Check Antrophic status page or community updates before troubleshooting further. And that is how to fix Claude not responding in Claude.